welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another review video. So today we are going to review the NY Bae concealer stick. So this is not a new product in market, it's an old one, but it's a very popular product. It is one of the cheapest concealer makeup stick, you can say. So we get these kind of sticks in many brands. These are basically foundation concealer all-in-one sticks. So this is from the brand NY Bae, and NY Bae is exclusively available at purplle.com. I have bought it from there, and I have shown it in my haul as well. So today I thought of using this for my makeup, as I am going to create a look. So this would be the best time. I have just applied some moisturizer and primer and made my skin ready. So this is the one. It is in the shade Champagne and number 2. So this is how it looks. It comes in this form, like a lipstick basically. So it's very light, like good quality, not lightweight, super lightweight, good for good packaging. So this is how much product you get, and this is the shade. This is shade Champagne. This is how the pigmentation looks like. It's, I think, so perfect for my skin tone. So I'll just swatch it here for you. So like this is how it looks. It looks lighter, but like as soon as I blend it, it gets blended into the skin and disappears, and as well as on the neck. So this is how it got blended, and you can see nothing is there. It will not provide full coverage, that you will see later on. So I'll just start applying this. So first I'll apply this in my under eyes, then on my face. So it does not need to be applied like on full face at once. Like, just see, I'm first putting a little bit and showing you. So this is the Damn Beauty Blender. So as you can see, it's getting blended because it's a cream, and the coverage also you can see is light to medium. And it's giving a dewy finish, not a matte one, and it doesn't feel dry. For that you have to be sure that you have applied good moisturizer and primer beneath. So this I will apply on this side now, and I'm not going for a heavy full makeup look, so this much is enough. And it's very travel friendly and pocket friendly, like you can put it on your pocket and go, and price wise as well, good product and good price. So I'll just blend this with my brush right here. So as you can see, with my brush as well, it's blended so nicely, and like even coverage without any stickiness and not drying at all. So I feel that's enough for my review and demo. So if you are interested, if you want to buy an affordable makeup stick, its costs only around 100 to 150, not more than that, and it's always available at discounts. So you can try out any shade. They have lots of shades, so you can try anyone which you like. So if you use it on my recommendation, please let me know on my Instagram or in the comments. That would be great. And that's all for my review. See you in my next video.